Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own party on the Blockman GO game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blockman GO game on your device, and once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage from which you can enjoy various different games. Now, if you wish to create your own party, then tap on the chat option at the bottom. This will now take you into the chat page. From here, tap on the party option at the top, and now you will see the option to join various different parties, and you can also tap on the plus icon at the bottom if you wish to create your very own. You can then choose the game for which you want to create your party, and then choose your party name from the top section as well. You can also set up a room password if you wish, but this is entirely optional. You can then choose your party game, a large team match, or a custom game based on your desire. Finally, click on the create party option, and now this will create your very own party and download the game for which you are creating the party right away. And now you can start inviting players to join your party or wait for them to automatically join in order to start your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your very own party on the Blockman GO game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.